Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. When the crankcase oil suction filter is clogged, does the low oil pressure light come on? Normally it comes on, that's what it's for, but there's one thing you have to be careful with, because when it stays on continuously, that's when people tend to carry the car to the workshop to see what the problem is. If it is a problem, simply, of the oil pressure sensor, which is failing, or that there is an obstruction in the strainer. Look, for those of you who do not know what the filter is, this is the sieve. It has a sieve there, or filter, the oil suction cup. And through this piece, the oil pump extracts the oil from the crankcase. What happens when it gets clogged? When it gets clogged, the oil pressure light stays on. The problem is when this part is partially obstructed and the oil pressure light only comes on sporadically, because that's when people relax, because it only comes on from time to time. When and then people relax, and that's when the problems start, because there are times when the engine or the turbo does not have enough lubrication, and that's when the problems start. There can be the problem of it breaking the turbo or damage the engine. My advice is that whenever you see that oil pressure light come on, even sporadically, find out what the problem is and not leave it alone, because it only happens from time to time, because then that's when serious problems occur in the car engine. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.